Yes, me there in your office.
I think you come here fix
I
my
am in. Radio already.
Yeah, me no know see. Look how much like me man fix the coffee.
Oh, she just dropped those off? Yeah, I just
I
picked them
think come up here and
Oh,
pick
Nick
them in
picked
while we
them.
down there, so you know.
Yeah, I'm just raiding your place while you're doing the tour. I need honey today, man.
Mm-hmm.
You promised me honey all
You're not
along.
going to get no honey today, no problem. I spin out no
Ah,
honey
good.
today, yesterday from...
When are you gonna spit out honey?
We're going to spin out honey. Today's what?
I think it's Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yeah.
I spin honey... Saturday and Sunday.
Yeah?
The guys, them can help me do it. No one can do it, you hear me at touching.
You don't do it here.
Me do it right here.
Okay.
But it,
Where? Exactly.
the
down?
extractor, I have to carry it here first.
Oh.
The
From the
extractor.
road?
No man, me have it. But it up by me next farm up there.
So you
Never
have
next-
one and you bring it to
Yeah.
place to place.
To
Where?
place to place.
Okay.
Me leave it by up by Hopewell. Never April up a
So you,
Hope.
when you get the extractor, where do you go? Here. You go.
You know, you have to. Me do it a different way. Hear what me do? Me take out it now, and tonight, me spin it out with light. But you can spin it out when in the daytime,
Okay.
or you will kill too much bees. If you spill one little bit of honey right now, you see something.
A lot of bees come.
You would have them come down, boo, like
Okay.
nothing.
So you have to know when to do it.
Ah.
Nighttime, huh?
You want me to show you something? Man?
Sure.
These are the wax. We take off for them. This is a feeding ground for them.
Okay.
So me use the fever grass to do the viral amount with trouble the bees. The fever grass is very good.
Okay.
So we use some little honey and some of these cement and sink in and drown or whatever. This is what make the foundation. This.
Yeah.
This is expensive. The wax here. It's expensive, man. Yeah, man. See,
Why? It's hard to find.
now I then make it.
The bees make it.
Yeah.
Like at the bottom.
Well, if I should choose, no, you have to go. My next farm, bees farm.
Yeah.
Then I produce no honey. We use them net wax,
Oh, you've got one farm just for wax.
just for wax. They still make honey, still, you know, but you use it to get wax.
Wow.
But this, the fever grass here, can breed the queen
Okay.
without nothing,
Not in a box. Right.
nothing in the box, only that.
Wow.
We get, so we use it now to fight the viral amount and the viral amount and the fall brew. The American fall brew and the European fall brew. The bagasse do it. So since last year we find out I rather tell you about. So you use this now. Wiley with the sugar when you feed them.
How do you feed them?
Feed them same places.
Right there.
Throw it on there
Okay.
and just make them suck it out.
Awesome.
And then suck it out. But now you don't feed bees again. You know.
Okay.
In Friday floor is on.
Oh.
Like
a lot
the
of
blossom.
blossoms. Right.
The blossom is blossoms now. Those tree, one tree make the most lagwood. Makes honey is lagwood.
Logwood.
And
Oh, that's the best wood.
and I really.
But it gives the most
and give the most honey, but dogwood,
dogwood. You said would be the best.
dogwood is the best.
What gives the light shade of the honey? Like the clear honey that you have.
The dogwood.
Okay.
No, the dogwood. Man.
Logwood.
The dogwood.
Okay.
That's what the box is made out of?
No, it make out of cedar. These are the boxes. This is honey box.
Yep.
This is super box. It's thinner one here, like this. That's the honey box.
Mm.
This,
And that one stays on top.
that
And the
one
bigger one stays at the
on
bottom.
top
Right.
still. This one is the same honey box. This one down here is the chambers.
Okay.
It build different, but more than for this, them I have to show you. It build different inside. And these are
The racks.
i-
Oh, there's like wires in them to hold it,
Yeah.
kind of to
they have,
steady the.
they have to have a guitar string.
Oh yeah.
Awesome.
15.
All right, David, we have to go now.
All
This
right.
is what strain the
Oh,
wax.
that's that.
Strain the wax
Where do you get that?
to make it to be foundation.
Oh, the screen.
Yeah,
Yeah, that.
strain this. You build out something like this,
Oh, like a bag.
like a bag, and then you strain the wax through it. When you boil it, you don't see the wax down.
Mm-hmm.
Let me show you the wax.
Okay.